For a century, physicists have promised a final formula that would explain everything. The search became a religion disguised as science, built on your desire to understand your universe. That dream has shaped how you see your world, how you define your own existence. Now the illusion begins to fracture. Behind it hides a truth that no computer can process, and it will challenge the foundation of your beliefs. In the age of computation, every part of life has been reduced to code. Algorithms calculate your habits, predict your thoughts, and design your reality. You have been convinced that the universe is just another program waiting to be decoded. Yet something is missing from that logic. There is a silence between the numbers that no machine can capture. Inside that silence hides the essence of what makes you real. Physicist Mir Faizal and his team at the University of British Columbia have exposed a flaw in modern physics. Their conclusion is simple, yet devastating. There is no algorithmic theory of everything. The connection between quantum mechanics and relativity cannot be found in computation. Your equations are not enough. What you thought was the path to total knowledge has reached its end. Beyond that end lies something beyond your control. Every simulation depends on rules, yet reality breaks them with ease. Computers can predict, but not comprehend. No algorithm can contain the complexity of your existence. The concept that your world can be simulated has always been an illusion. Your mind is not software. Your life is not data. The universe you live in refuses to be replicated because it is not built on computation. It is built on something beyond it. Relativity and quantum mechanics tell conflicting stories about your world. One describes smooth order, the other pure chaos. Between them lies a void no equation can fill. Scientists have spent decades trying to merge the two, chasing a phantom unity. But the more they calculate, the more they discover that mathematics collapses at the border. Reality continues without permission. You are part of that contradiction. The most celebrated theories of the last century, from string theory to loop quantum gravity, were all born from faith in information. The idea that everything begins with bits of data seduced generations of thinkers. John Wheeler called it from bit, claiming your universe emerges from pure information. But that phrase hides a false promise. Bits cannot explain your consciousness. Your existence cannot be broken into digital fragments. Mathematics itself confesses its limits. Gödel, Tarski, and Chaitin revealed truths that forever changed logic. They proved that no consistent system can describe itself completely. Gödel showed that even perfect logic leaves questions it cannot answer. Tarski proved that truth cannot exist within its own definitions. Chaitin demonstrated that complexity has an absolute ceiling. These boundaries shape your understanding of everything around you. The implications are profound. If mathematics is incomplete, then your science inherits that flaw. Every model you create will fail at the edge of reality. Every equation you trust hides a blind spot. Even your logic is bound by invisible walls. The more you search for ultimate knowledge, the more it slips away. The universe does not obey the limits of your mind. It thrives beyond your comprehension. From these revelations emerges something new, a concept beyond the reach of computation. The meta-theory of everything does not rely on code or calculation. It introduces a non-algorithmic layer that exists above your mathematics. It defines truth from outside the system itself. In that higher layer, the laws you know begin to fade. What remains is the pure essence of reality, untouched by your equations or your machines. Every simulation runs on rules, but your universe does not follow them completely. It bends logic, distorts time, and creates phenomena that no computer can predict. Reality is alive in ways your programming cannot imitate. You are not part of an algorithm, you are the break in its pattern. Your consciousness is proof that something beyond computation shapes your world, that something is what keeps you human. The consequences reach far beyond science. They destroy the fantasy that artificial intelligence will one day replicate your mind. They dismantle the myth that consciousness can be uploaded, copied, or preserved as data. If the universe is not algorithmic, then your identity is not code. You cannot be simulated. You cannot be replaced. What defines you lives beyond information, beyond logic, beyond the reach of any machine. In the end, the search for a theory of everything leads not to certainty, but to wonder. The answers you wanted do not exist inside your systems. They exist outside them. The truth of the universe is not written in mathematics, but in the mystery that defies it. If this story made you think deeper about your world, show your support. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories that challenge your perception of reality and ignite your curiosity.